Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a truly unique and rare citrus plant, Poncirus Trifoliata, also known as the Trifoliate Orange. If you love rare, resilient plants, you're going to want to stick around for this one. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more plant content. This incredible plant is unlike any other citrus you've seen. Native to China and Korea, the Poncirus trifoliata is famous for being one of the toughest citrus varieties out there. Unlike traditional oranges, this plant can withstand freezing temperatures as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit or -23 degrees Celsius. That makes it an excellent choice for growers in colder climates. While most citrus trees struggle in the winter, this one thrives. Let's talk about its benefits. First, it's completely deciduous, meaning it loses its leaves in the winter but bounces back strong every spring. Its sharp, spiny branches make it an excellent natural barrier or hedge, keeping unwanted animals out of your garden. Plus, it's pest-resistant and drought-tolerant, requiring very little maintenance once established. Now, the fruit, this is where it gets interesting. The Poncirus trifoliata produces small, yellow-orange fruits in the fall. Unlike sweet oranges, these are very bitter and highly aromatic, making them perfect for jams, marmalades, and even homemade citrus cleaners. Yes, you heard that right. Some people even use them in herbal medicine due to their unique compounds. And speaking of rare, this plant is still hard to find in many nurseries. But here's the great news. You can get fresh seeds, young plants, and even shrubs from us, grown right here in South Arkansas. Whether you want to start from seed or get a head start with a live plant, we've got you covered. If you're interested in adding this cold, hardy citrus to your collection, check out the link in the description below. And if you have any questions about growing, planting, or caring for these incredible plants, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future plant videos. I'll see you in the next one. Happy growing!